Chilo, man, get over here. You see this business?
Hey yo. Hey yo. Hey yo, won't hesitate to rock a punk with this heavy metal. Yeah, and the coffin is where you end up at after the beef gets settled. The motherfucking demons pipe battle and the gates of hell. Oh well, my lyrics are like paths from hell. And you can ask Chilo, check the stilo. Heck, I'll leave you beat the fuck down. Fuck the vino, fuck the Patron. Heck is a patron. Leave you in the center dome with a terror storm, where the fucking demons roam. But you already knew that, but you already know that. I pass the flow to my boys and you already
Chilo. Go. Chilo's never ready, cause he's whack as hell. I'ma smack his ass with my shelf, cause I'm like the Incredible Hulk. Hulk smash, Hulk's back, about to get all up in that ass, bitch. Yeah, I got bad habits, I'm acting irrational, cause I'm going national. I'm about to rip the ship from Florida to Canada, and I'm, coming off of the top of the dome, and I'm rocking the chrome. No, I'm not, my bad here, Chilo.
Yeah, stopping, I'm alone. I don't give a damn, he said cocking the chrome. And then I'm dropping your poems, and then I'm stopping at your home and your doorsteps. Leave your body on your fucking doorsteps, in your porch, bullets in your forehead. And I'm more or less the illest fucking rapper alive. Come in here and I'm taking you I don't give a damn, it's on the brink of war. And then I'll take your sink and I'll break your jaw. MCs on a battle, but I'll take them on. I don't give a fuck, homie, cause I'm made to be raw. I'm made to be ill, I'm made to kill, made to break everybody's fucking skill down to a level that's like kindergarten. And I seem to just be retarded. I seem to harden my fucking cocoon like a kuna.
Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, check it. Hey yo, hey yo. You rap for the thrill, heck, rap for the skill. At it will, you get your shit killed, get your shit peeled. I'm from the city of demons, but you already know that. You already know when your life ends, when that flat line hits. But you already know.
Yeah, you already know that I'ma spit together, spit forever. Bitch, get your shit together. I don't give a damn, cause I got the shit forever. I'm like all the fucking X-Men mixed together into one superhero, a villain. I don't give a damn, cause I'm chilling with the children of the corn, and we're killing every motherfucker spitting in ridiculous shit. I'm like the Riddler, you don't get my shit. It's a question mark over your head. It's a mark for you, now you're dead. Cause only the hardest survive. This is Darwinism. I'm locked in prison, I don't give a fuck. I got the hardest wisdom of an old man in a wheelchair, and I still care cause I feel like I'm very rare. I'm like a beast, it's very unnormal. I'm coming in, I got my hormones raging like little kids watching the porno. And the storm goes.
Hey yo, check it. Hey yo, something.
Something. I'm harder than your bitch ass, cause you are a muffin. I'm toughin' and stop talking.
Hey yo, check it. Hey yo, I'm a dog, now you just a clown and a joker. Fuck having the 38s and the host of M16s in hand, ready to shorten your lifespan.
Shorten your lifespan, cause you got a short ass right hand. You can't even jack off on your Macintosh, acting all soft. I'm from Long Beach, OBC, and I'm about to stop this shit. Is everybody alright with it?
No.
Hey yo,
man, what the hell?
on a Jedi mind beat, but you already know when the beef gets cooked. Have these fucking halfway quick shook, cause it ain't hard to tell. The mic is contact and I attract clientele.
Get it? Santa Fe to Warlow to Willow. I'm motherfucking make your chick a widow.
With the hollows.
Now she's dressed in all black with a motherfucking veil over her face, leaving no trace.
With that
no
Freddy
motherfucking
Jason mask.
witnesses. I'm motherfucking sickest kid. Go get it, Chilo. I know you want to. You motherfucking ADD. You can't see me. Just grab the mic and I'll rip it right. And I'ma pass it to Chilo, cause he's get it. He wanted it, but now he doesn't wanna, cause now he's nervous and he's gonna vomit. I'ma pass it to Hector.
Hey yo, you've never met an MC that could read you and leave you in. What the fuck did I do, man? Fuck!